Hello and welcome to the CEC. In the world of large format printing, quality, speed and versatility are everything. The Ricoh L5160e latex printer, a cutting edge solution designed to take your vehicle wraps, wall graphics and other high impact applications to the next level. With advanced latex ink technology, the Ricoh L5160e delivers vivid, durable and weather resistant prints that stand the test of time. Whether you're wrapping vehicles, branding storefronts or creating stunning interior decor, this printer ensures crisp high-resolution images, perfect for long-lasting results. One of our technical specialists has taken customization to the next level with the Ricoh L5160e latex printer. First he's wrapped the printer itself with a bold, eye-catching design. Now he's applying the same process to transform the tables in the Telford showroom. But it's not just about quality, it's about efficiency. The Ricoh L5160e is built for speed, allowing you to handle high volume jobs with ease, say goodbye to long production times and hello to quick turnaround without compromising on detail. And when it comes to versatility, this printer is in a league of its own. It can print on a wide range of latex printer approved materials, from vinyl and banners to textile and wallpapers. Plus, thanks to its odourless, eco-friendly latex inks, it's ideal for both outdoor and indoor applications, making it a great choice for offices, retail spaces or even hospitals. With a minimal maintenance requirement and Ricoh's trusted reliability, the L5160e keeps your workflow running smoothly, reducing downtime and maximising productivity. So whether you're wrapping a fleet of vehicles or transforming walls with bold graphics or even personalising unique surfaces, the Ricoh L5160e latex printer is the ultimate tool to bring your creative vision to life. Fast, durable and versatile, printing has never been this powerful. Ricoh wide format printing, making the ordinary extraordinary.
Ricoh.